look at me. Okay, so I'm at Knott's Farm and it literally started raining and I'm soaked. But yeah. Okay, so since it's raining, most of the rides are down. We got on one ride. So it's supposed to rain for 3 hours. Let's hope that we're able to get into another ride. It's super rainy. Alright, so we basically got tickets on reserve now for the next month. Whatever day we want to come back, we'll just come back. At least I was able to get into one ride, but yeah. Well, let's see what we do next.
I gripped that so tightly. Now we can see we're good. That was such a great idea, Kim.
Yeah, you just have to grip it.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Okay, so we basically didn't really vlog that much because
We're sorry, we're lame.
we're having fun. JJ!
And I'm too hungry to vlog.
Hungry hippo! So we're gonna go get some stuffed churros! How'd you like your churro?
It's okay.
Would have been better if it didn't have a bite from it.
Yeah, Edwin.
Yours just smells like Mexican food. And then there's Alexa who got chicken tenders. It's hot? What's wrong?
I'm so